Hello, friends. Welcome to Sharaf's Kitchen.
Hi all, I'm back with another recipe. It's a chocolate cake pastry recipe this time. It's a very light and feathery cake, which all of you should try it out. So let's get started. In a large bowl, add half cup of oil and 3/4 cup of powdered sugar and beat for a while. We shall use 3 eggs for this pastry. Now we shall start adding the eggs. After adding the first egg, beat for a while and then add the second egg. And the third egg. After beating the eggs, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat the mixture till it becomes frothy. Now let's sieve all the dry ingredients. Half cup of flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of instant coffee powder. We shall mix the wet and dry ingredients now. We shall mix it with the cut and fold method. Let's run the beater once for some time. Now let's prepare the tin for baking. Take a round or a square tin. A square tin is better because if you take a round tin, you'll have to trim off the sides. Anyway, it's fine. So now to the tin, smear a little oil or butter and then add a little flour and dust it all through. Bake the cake for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Make sure not to open the oven in between. The cake could sink actually. So it's better to wait for 25 minutes and then open the oven. Now for the frosting, take 120 grams of butter, in which 20 grams should be salted butter. Beat it for a while. Add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and mix it thoroughly with the beater. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Beat till stiff peaks form. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat for a while. Remove the cake once it cools down. Remove the parchment paper very gently because the cake could stick onto the paper. Now divide the cake carefully. Since it's a round cake, just trim out the sides. Now place 1/2 of the cake and add sugar syrup thoroughly so that the cake becomes moist. Apply the frosting evenly on the cake with a spatula.
Now place the upper half of the cake and coat the frosting evenly on the cake. Now pour the chocolate ganache over the cake and allow it to drip from all the sides. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.